There's a moment in life when we pause and reflect with gratitude. Today is one of those moments. Every day we grow stronger through the power of working together. Gratitude is not found in solitude, but in the achievements we share. Saying thank you makes every moment more meaningful. Small moments create great gratitude. Thanksgiving is a day to share and come together. We celebrate it as a family. None of this would be possible without you. Thank you. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving from the V Truck Corp family.